Chief Meteorologist Curtis Greveness.
All right, welcome back. Thanks again for joining us on this Monday. Not looking the best out there. 91, you may think that's hot, but it's only 2 degrees above what the average high is. Great Falls, 91. Fortunately, the wind is light. I say that because if we had a stronger west wind, it wouldn't be blowing the smoke out, really. 80s and 90s, Yellowstone again. If I could build a house there, I would. West wind a little stronger up around Cut Bank, 21 miles per hour. But again, Cut Bank, even with that wind, a lot of the smoke is kind of coming in overhead and then settling. It's not coming really from any fires, although we do have a pretty good fire in the Bob Marshall Wilderness. That's about 300 acres. I'll have more on that coming up at 6 o'clock. Air quality does not look like it will improve much here. Southwest flow to our southwest, some bigger fires, southwest Idaho, and then also a lot of Oregon, some big fires, central parts of Oregon, and the smoke should continue. That's why we've got an air quality alert for days ahead of us here. A couple of storms coming down off the Absaroka Mountains, maybe up there in the Beartooth, had a couple of storms far eastern Montana earlier. Monsoon moisture, and there's a little area of low pressure crossing the Sawtooth of Idaho right now. That may kick off an isolated shower or thunderstorm here tonight. All right, so more monsoon moisture and thunderstorms here in the west. The east, the jet stream is dipping, and it's comfortably cool with low humidity. But this time of year, that's what happens. Bubble of high pressure, we get some moisture coming up, but that's not necessarily a good thing because by the time the storms reach the northern Rockies, the Pacific Northwest, they run out of moisture, but they still have the energy. They still have the lightning. So we get the dry thunderstorms. Tonight, again, looks pretty quiet, but just a couple of showers popping up here. Maybe a little gusty wind, a lightning strike or two. That, of course, is not good. Maybe a shower out around Lewistown tomorrow morning. And that's it. A couple of more storms down there, Bozeman, Livingston, Big Timber, Reed Point, south of Lewistown. One of those storms may get up to about Glasgow tomorrow night. And then Wednesday afternoon, a little push of some monsoon moisture. We may have a few more isolated thunderstorms, Helena, and about the Lewistown area. Tonight, 40s and 50s to about 60 degrees. So not as hot through the overnight hours as it has been at times. 50s, I'll take that. Tomorrow, 96 in Helena, 95 in Great Falls. Another day with unhealthy air quality likely. Wednesday, just a couple of isolated thunderstorms. Bozeman, Butte America cooling down a little bit into the 80s. Lewistown could see that storm. Thursday, staying in the 90s. For most of us, maybe an isolated storm out of the eastern part of the state. And Friday, creeping up back to 100, almost. Havre at 100. It gets hotter with wind, but look at Sunday and Monday. Much cooler air coming in. Some places, Sunday and Monday, could have highs in the 70s with lows in the 40s.
When